Everyone, welcome to BananaCrystal platform. In this video, I'll be showing us how to create offer. Scroll down to where you have your P2P field, this card here. You click on create offer. Please, this video is for my intending brokers or already existing brokers on BananaCrystal platform. If you're not a broker, you didn't apply to be a broker, you will not be able to perform this to create offers. In this video, I'll be showing us how to create a sell USD offer. So step 1, start creating your offer by selecting the currency you want to trade, specifying whether you are buying or selling, and selecting your preferred payment method. And I want to sell USD. On this platform, we have different payment methods. So proceed to select your preferred payment method to complete this transaction. But for this video, my preferred payment method will be bank transfer. Select your country, then proceed to add your bank details. You can check our FAQ page on how to add bank details to the platform. You click on next step to go to the next page. The first step is to choose your preferred rate type. Is it the market price or the fixed price? It's up to you. If you want a fluctuating rate that changes with the market price, then you stick to the market price. Automatically, BananaCrystal platform is on market price, but you can choose the fixed price if you want to. Set the amount you want to sell. That's the second step. So how much USD do you want to sell on the platform? Set the amount and proceed to the next step. Next is to set your limits per transaction for the sale offer. Ensure that the maximum does not exceed the amount you stated here to sell. That should be your maximum. You shouldn't exceed it. The next step is to set your price or USD for this offer. Automatically, our margin is set on 5%, so you can either choose to go below or above the margin, or you can stick to remain at BananaCrystal margin rates 5%. So I'll stick to that. So this is the rate that will be displayed on my offer. Then I'll click on next step. The next step is to add tags. Tags are conditions you set for users that want to engage with your offer. Say you require receipts after payment, no negotiation. Then you can choose to leave an offer name like this, or you can change it to something that suits your character. Then you write your terms for serious buyers only. Then you click on submit. Offer created successfully. You click on OK, and that's how you create a sell USD offer on BananaCrystal platform. Thanks for watching. Bye.